Welcome back, YouTubers. Today we are unpackaging something called the Ultimate Lens Hood. We bought two versions of this off of Kickstarter. They were attempting to raise some funds to build the 2.0 version of their lens hood. And the Ultimate Lens Hood it's built to allow you to block out glare from your cameras when you're shooting through glass. We went on a trip to New Zealand. We went up to this tower. I think it was actually the Westfield Tower in, oh no, that was in Australia. So it was the Westfield Tower in Australia, and we're trying to shoot through the glass. And whenever you're trying to shoot through glass, you get these glares. So the Ultimate Lens Hood here is designed to go directly over your camera and then go up against the glass and block out all the glaring light that's coming through as you shoot through the glass. So inside the box here, we have the lens hood itself. This is the mobile version of it. A little thank you card from Ultimate Lens Hood. They say, thank you for ordering the Ultimate Lens Hood Mobile, the clip-on silicone lens hood for your smartphone that'll let you shoot photos, videos, and time lapses through glass like it isn't even there. Then they talk a little bit about how to put it on. Specifically, you take one of these guys. When I bought this, for some reason, these were just loose in a sort of bubble wrap packaging, and they look like they're all the same size to me. We got 3 of them in there. I don't know if that was on purpose or if that was a mistake. Maybe because I bought 3 items, I'm not quite sure. This slides onto, well, let's see here. It looks like I have to put this in first. They might say this on the card, but I'm just going to try it out. So you pop that on. Okay, so that's holding the lens hood onto the clip here. And then you slide this over so that you can see your lenses through the lens hood. And you sort of, on this iPhone 11 Pro, you want to make sure that whichever lens you're using is centered in there. So you might have to finesse it a little bit depending on which lens you want to shoot with. Once you get it centered over the correct lens, you then would open up your camera app and shoot like normal. The primary difference is going to be that you're going to put it up against the glass. So if my hand were the glass here, you'd put this up. That would block all the light that's creating glare out, and then you'd be able to take a picture without any glare. You can see here if I move this, it sort of blocks the lens. So you want to be careful that you get it in the right spot so that you can shoot without blocking your lens that you're using. So there you go. That's the mobile version of it. And then we also got what's called the Ultimate Lens Hood Go. This came with a bunch of little microfiber cloths, or not cloths, but pouches for us. So they gave us a bunch of these, and maybe there's more in here. Maybe these are all of them, not quite sure. Let's go ahead and put that off to the side. So this is the Go version. The Go version was made for digital SLRs with medium-sized lenses. I think they say that you're supposed to use this with 49 to 82 millimeter lenses. And it came with a little microfiber cloth for cleaning off your lens. What else is in here? Bigger thank you card, since this is the Ultimate Lens Hood Go. Looks like it's the same information on the back there. And now this guy, it's really soft. It's got a really nice feel to it. It's an anti-static coating on it, so I can start to see that there's a little bit of dust on there, but it sort of brushes off very nicely. So ideally this won't get a bunch of our cat hair stuck on it before our travels. But you can see this is a much larger lens hood, and this guy is supposed to stretch over your digital SLR lenses. So here we've got our Z6 or Z6, and if we wanted to shoot with this guy through glass and avoid glare, we would just go ahead. This is going to be fun doing it on camera for you guys. You're just supposed to stretch it over. So there it is. It's stretched. It is stretched over. And with that on, they actually say you can use it 2 ways. You can pull it over for weather protection. So here it is being pulled over for weather protection if you wanted to shoot that way. Or if you want to shoot through glass, you pop it this way. And then you would hold that, again, right up against the glass, and this silicone case would actually block all of the light that creates glare on the glass so that you can shoot through the glass without it being there. My wife and I have a membership to the local aquarium. Shooting some of those animals through the glass is really difficult. So we bought these so that we could go down to the aquarium and try to shoot and prevent that glare from showing up. So we'll go ahead and do that. But we are excited. We got a small discount when we bought this on Kickstarter. We're always glad to support entrepreneurs. And it looks like maybe on their website right now they're having a small sale. Maybe it's something coming up for the holidays. This guy is just another Ultimate Lens Hood Go. I imagine it's the same stuff in the box here. Let's see here. Yes, it is. So another silicone case, another thank you card, another microfiber cloth, and it looks like they had shipped 3 of these with my package. Those guys are all the same size. And then inside here I got one for the mobile version. My guess is they were trying to package all these up quickly, fulfill their Kickstarter goal, and just grab what you can, put it in the bag, get it out the door so that it gets shipped. But I do like their packaging. This is a recyclable craft paper package here. And then they have, I think, really nice silicone. This is great feeling, actually. Like it's just so super smooth. One of the things that they warn you about, there's a lot of people out there right now claiming to be the Ultimate Lens Hood and offering it super cheap. I don't want to say we almost fell for that, but we saw ads on Instagram for this originally. And when looking into it, it looked really sketchy. They were offering them for like 50% off. And it looked like the website had maybe gone up the month prior. And really looking into it, I was like, I don't want to do that. So I went directly to Ultimate Lens Hood, found out that they were going to be launching the 2.0 version and on Kickstarter. So we purchased the 2.0 directly from them. And I think we're super happy we did. We've read some of the reviews of the knockoffs, super flimsy. They don't feel as soft. And I guess maybe they work still, but I like supporting the original and trying not to encourage too much knockoff manufacturing. Thank you guys so much for watching this. I've got a couple other things that I want to unbox, so later today maybe I'll get a couple more things in. Thank you so much for watching.